Alrighty, hello everyone, back with another video. Today we're gonna make some crab cakes. Alrighty everyone, so today we're making crab cakes. This is some rock crab that we got when I was down in Gig Harbor with my buddy Aiden Moore and Pierce. I know we got a bunch left over, so I figured why not whip up some crab cakes and do it on video. So let's do it. Okay, we got mustard, mayo, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, and egg all in the bowl. They're gonna add some other things and yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna add some lemon and garlic here into this mixture we got going. Now we're going with the rock crab. Okay, now we're all mixed up and I'm gonna add the panko. Okay, I threw in some dill and paprika and salt and pepper, and then we're gonna mix them up and then fry them up. Okay everyone, we got our mixture all mixed up, all the crab and panko and mustard and whatnot that all goes in here. Then we're gonna form them into little balls, and then we also have some oil that we're starting to heat up here. It's just vegetable oil, and we're just gonna do a quick shallow fry, I don't know, until the edges are nice and crispy, and we'll call it good. Alrighty, our crab cakes are shallow fried. Alrighty everyone, crab cakes are done here. I'm gonna do my taste test and let you know how they are. Alright everyone, the crab cake's done here. Looks pretty good to me. We'll try it without anything, and then I'll put some lemon and some tartar sauce on it too. That's a great crab cake. Perfect. Put some tartar sauce. Ooh. Some lemon. Phenomenal. Really good. Rock crab cake. 10 out of 10. I didn't really do much for like a recipe. Like, I don't know, I just threw some stuff together and was like, that looks good. Tasted really good. I could eat like 10 of those. But yeah, if you guys like the video, give her a like. Subscribe would be totally awesome too. If not, no worries, and peace y'all.